Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
First thing you want to do is decide what fish you want to use for your fish tacos. Common recipes are known to use cod, pollock, tilapia, and even swahi. And you can choose to roll your portion fillets in a fish fry like this recipe I've shown you before. These make excellent fish tacos. Or you can even use my beer batter recipe and fry this fish to perfection. It doesn't matter much to me, you just need to decide which way you prefer it. Both recipes are outstanding. But today, I'm going to be using these frozen fish fillets. I bought a bag of 10 for only $3, and I'm going to bake them in the oven as directed at 425 degrees for approximately 18 minutes. Now's a good time to prep your pico de gallo, and I showed you how to make this salsa fresca last video recipe, so you want to be sure to check that out. You also want to chop some thin slices of fresh cabbage and some lime wedges for each taco. Some may consider it just a garnish, but it goes really well with that fish. And by now the fillets should be fully baked. And as you can see here, going with frozen fillets really isn't a bad alternative. Now all you have to do is warm up your tortillas in a hot skillet and just get a little coloring on each side. Then you can throw each one of them face down and you can begin adding your cabbage. And now your fish fillets, nice and crispy, right over the top. Now just hit it with some fresh pico de gallo. And I like to serve these with some crema and those lime wedges. And there you have it. Fish tacos right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.